You know what time it is, don't you? It's Tablescape Tuesday time, and this is the awesome hostess that we join in with every week, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. She does some great displays and gives you great inspiration. Please go check her out. You'll be amazed at what she comes up with. She makes some beautiful tablescapes. And let's go see what the co-hostess is for this wonderful challenge. Here is our wonderful co-hostess, Amethyst Adventures, another great channel. You're going to just love her. She does so many beautiful things on her channel, so many beautiful tablescapes, joins in a lot of great challenges. I hope you go over and check her out, and make sure to check out the playlist. There is an awesome collection of creators joining in every Tuesday for Tablescape Tuesday. Well, let's go see what Grandma did. I have a blue tablecloth, but I thought the blue tablecloth wouldn't let my beautiful table runners show up well. So I decided to use my yellow one instead. And let's see if we can get a nice display put together. This really needs to be pressed. These beautiful place mat covers are very nice, but I don't think they look full enough. I doubled them up and put two. I like it better. Let me know what you thought. Now I'm going to double this one up, and then you can see the difference. I had plenty to be able to do this because I only do tablescapes for two. I just think it looks better to me. Well, let's keep working on our Tablescape Tuesday tablescape. Ocean theme under the sea today. These plates are photographing sort of dark. They're much lighter turquoise color than what you're seeing in the video. I got these because I thought it showed the movement sort of like ocean waves. I know that sounds crazy to maybe some of you, but I thought it turned out really nice. And the blue in the bowls seem to work really well together with the blue, white theme in turquoise. I thought the seahorse looked really nice with this, keeping with our theme, and I have a pair. Now, I did buy, I can't remember if it was a set of 4 or a set of 6, but anyway, I have enough to do a tablescape for 4. I might do a few of those next year, but this year we're staying on the theme of tablescapes for 2. And also, I thought it would be nice to be able to have a set of dishes that I could have company over and we could do a tablescape for 4. I normally do not entertain more than 2 people, so that would be only 4. So I'm real happy with what I picked up. I thought they looked wonderful. And I can use these bowls all summer long. And I can use these plates in other designs and themes, because they're just beautiful, but I still love the design. It reminds me of ocean waves. Here is my centerpiece. I'm really happy how it turned out. What do you think? I decided, since one of my awesome followers thought my fire plant looked really good with a beach theme, I cut a piece off of it and placed it on the table. Be very careful with these plants, because the sap that comes out gets on your skin, it will burn it. So be careful. I wrapped a little paper towel at the end for it wouldn't get on my tablecloth. The other plant is fake, but I thought it looked beautiful. It gives you that water look too. Let me know what you thought. I'm very happy how this centerpiece turned out. I can't wait to put this setup in the cozy corner. It wouldn't be exactly the same because I don't know if it would all fit for the simple reason the cozy corner is very small. But we could see what we could do. We might be able to get, I don't know if we can get the coral in there, but we could get everything else. We'll have to wait and see. Well, let's get back to our tablescape. Here's a few more pieces from the Coastal collection. A set of napkins that look like turtles. Oh my God, they're so cute. I can't wait to put these on the table with everything else. I'm still not done. I still need to get my napkins, and I need to get some glassware for this tablescape. We're going to make it simple. I'm only pulling out a spoon, and these are my favorite spoons, for I could make believe that we're having soup in these bowls, and we're out having lunch out in the garden. And imagine soup in this beautiful seahorse bowl. Isn't it beautiful? Or maybe, no, I was going to say a salad. Well, then I would need a fork. So imagine soup. Maybe clam chowder soup. How does that sound? Sounds like it goes with this theme just perfectly. Well, I'm done. What do you think? Added a little bit more to it. I added a couple shells, and I added our magical stone here at the base, just to add a little extra to this display. I thought it turned out pretty nice. We're just going out in the garden and having a glass of wine with some clam chowder soup for dinner. How does that sound? Simple and nice. It is so hot here, you can barely breathe. I was so happy how everything turned out. Let me know what you thought. Did you think I nailed it or I didn't? I thought I did a much better job than with my other display. I knew when I made it I wasn't happy. And with one of my awesome friends leaving me an awesome comment, I redid the flowers. Well, not flowers, plants. I don't have any flowers in this display, just plants. I have one real one. The fire plant is real, and this is artificial, but it looks beautiful. I would love to see if I could find another one of those plants for next year. I think if I had 2 or 3 more, it would look a lot better, a lot fuller, and I would love it. But we only can do with what we have and what we found. I was pretty happy with most everything that I put together on this display. You let me know what you thought. Did I nail it or I didn't? I don't know if I like the napkins after all, now that I have them all put together. The blue is the wrong color shade of blue. But this is what I bought, this is what I'm using. And my daughter is going to get some napkins, it looks like. But I'm sure I can find some uses for them in other displays, just not this one. I'll look around and see if I can find a more of a turquoise blue for next year. But everything else I was super, super happy with. I loved how it all turned out. I don't think there's too much I would really change. I might, because I do have these beautiful turtle napkin rings. I do have some cloth napkins, and I may very well use some cloth napkins with these the next time I do this display. But I don't want to go looking for them. I'm too tired and too hot. But I thought it turned out pretty good. Love the table runner. It goes beautifully with what I put together. Well, let me know what you thought of it in the comments section.